Are you looking for the best leaf blowers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best leaf blowers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Black+Decker LSW221 20V Max Lithium Sweeper. The Black+Decker LSW221 isn't a heavy-duty leaf blower. If you've got acres of land, this isn't the machine for you. However, if you're looking for a lightweight, low-noise, and affordable leaf blower to keep your garden clean, keep reading. One of the most important things to note about the Black+Decker LSW221 is how much it weighs. At just 3.7 pounds, you can easily hold it in one hand for an extended period of time. Even if you're not a professional weightlifter, you don't have to spend loads on a backpack leaf blower to get the job done. Despite its lightweight design, it still packs a lot of power. With wind speeds of up to 130 miles per hour, you get shift wet leaves and more without having to bend down or get the rake out. All of this is powered by a 20V Max lithium-ion battery, which comes included in the price. Up next in the 4th place is the dual DCBL 720P1 20V XR brushless leaf blower. The DCBL 729P1 leaf blower from Dualt is ideal for small to medium-sized jobs around the house, like clearing the deck or patio in the spring or fall, clearing leaves away from the garage door, and clearing the veranda. It weighs less than 10 pounds, moves up to 400 CFM of air, and runs on a 20V lithium-ion battery. The DCBL 720P1 is also a great tool to keep in the truck and use for cleaning up a work site at the end of the day. With the battery under the motor, the tool is very well balanced and easy to use. Though runtime on a device like this isn't going to blow users away like dry leaves, it should be more than enough to complete any of the above-mentioned tasks with power to spare. Battery and charger included. And to keep your lawn neat, check out our cordless lawn mowers review. The 3rd product on our list is the Worx Turbine 12-amp corded leaf blower. We expect Worx to produce high-quality power tools, and their Turbine 12-amp leaf blower does not disappoint. It has one of the most powerful electric motors in its class, capable of moving an impressive 600 cubic feet per minute of air at 115 miles per hour. While it's not the best-looking electric leaf blower on the market, we can overlook that because it clears big walkways like a gas-powered blower. The turbine fan technology allows the blower to get the most out of its electric motor. And the best news is you won't have to pay through the nose for all this convenience and performance. For more must-have products for gardeners, check out our guide to the best leaf bags. 2nd on our list is the Husqvarna 350BT Gas Backpack Leaf Blower. The 350BT gas leaf blower from Husqvarna is the professional choice for those who need to clear long paths and driveways, parking lots, baseball fields, and more. The gas-powered 50cc motor produces 180 miles per hour airspeed and moves 500 cubic feet of air per minute. The ergonomic harness system is comfortable and practical, and goes some way toward easing the strain of carrying the 22.5 pounds around for long stretches of time. You'll clear just about everything with the 350BT, including small stones, light branches, and more, and you'll never have to worry about straying beyond the limits of the cord, because there isn't one. For more great garden products, check out our selection of the best robot lawn mowers. Finally, the top product on our list is the Black+Decker LB707-amp corded leaf blower. Most people don't need to use a leaf blower all the time, and when they do, it's usually just to perform a quick job like clearing leaves off the porch or away from the garage door. For those small but important jobs, the Black+Decker LB700 blower is the answer. At 4.4 pounds, it's one of the lightest leaf blowers out there in any category. But with its 180 miles per hour speed and its ability to move 180 cubic meters of air per hour. It's a compact dynamo that will make short work of those occasional jobs. And if you do decide to take on a bigger tasks, you don't have to worry about the LB700 battery dying on you, because this is a corded leaf blower. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.